There is one hidden switch inside your body. That could be the real reason. Your blood pressure refuses to go down. Not your diet, not your medication, not even your age. This switch controls your entire stress system. And when it's stuck in the on position, your body stays in constant tension. Your heart works harder. Your blood vessels tighten. Your pressure keeps rising, no matter what you do. But here's the powerful part. When you learn how to turn this switch off, your body can start correcting itself, naturally and quickly. Some people see changes in just a few weeks. If you're curious what this switch is and how it might be affecting you right now, just comment the number 1 below. I want to see who's ready to take control. I've spent over 20 years working as a cardiac specialist, and during that time, I've seen hundreds of patients struggle with high blood pressure. Some were taking 4, 5, even 6 medications. Still no real improvement. But then something changed. When they learned how to control this one internal system, their numbers started dropping, their medications were reduced, and their lives improved. Not because of a new drug, but because they finally understood what was really keeping their pressure high. Let me tell you about one patient. He was 69 years old, living a normal, retired life, but his blood pressure was dangerously high. He had been on medication for over 6 years, starting with 1 pill, then 2, then 4 different drugs. And still, his numbers wouldn't go down. Worse than that, the side effects were exhausting. Constant fatigue, swollen legs, and endless trips to the bathroom. He felt frustrated and completely stuck because no matter what he did, nothing seemed to work. So what was really happening? The medications were working, but something else was overpowering them. Inside his body, there was a system stuck in survival mode, always on. This system is designed to protect you in danger, but when it never turns off, it keeps your body in constant stress. Your heart beats faster, your vessels tighten, your pressure rises, and no matter how many pills you take, you're fighting against your own biology. When this system is activated, it raises your blood pressure in multiple ways at once. Your body releases stress hormones, like adrenaline. Your heart pumps harder. Your blood vessels tighten. Your kidneys hold more water, increasing blood volume. Your relaxation system gets shut down. Your stress hormone cortisol rises. And over time, your body becomes resistant to insulin. All of these happen together, pushing your pressure higher and higher. That's why medication alone often isn't enough, because the real problem is still turned on. If this makes sense to you and you're starting to connect the dots, comment 1 below. I want to see who finally understands what's really going on. Now, here's something important. Most people don't realize there are 2 types of stress affecting your blood pressure. The first is sudden spikes. When something triggers you, your heart races, your pressure jumps quickly. That's acute stress. But the second type is much more dangerous. It's when your body stays stressed all day. Even when nothing is happening, your system never turns off. That's chronic stress. And if you don't fix the chronic part, the spikes will keep coming back. Let's start with the fastest technique. This one works in seconds. It's called the diving reflex. When your face touches cold water, your body instantly switches modes. Your heart rate drops, your nervous system calms down, and your blood pressure starts to fall. Here's how to do it. Fill a bowl with very cold water. Add ice if possible. Take a deep breath, then place your face into the water. Hold for about 15 seconds. When you come back up, you'll feel the shift immediately. Your heart slows down. Your body relaxes. This is not mental. This is automatic. Your body is hardwired to respond this way. That's why it works. Every single time. Use it when you feel a pressure spike coming. The second technique is just as powerful. It's called the Valsalva reset, used even in hospitals. Here's how it works. Take a deep breath, fill your lungs completely, then hold it and push down, like you're trying to exhale forcefully. Keep that pressure for about 20 seconds. This activates sensors inside your blood vessels. They send signals to your brain, telling your body to lower pressure. Your heart slows, your vessels relax, and your system resets. The key is, don't stop too early. Hold the pressure long enough for it to work. The third technique is perfect for anxiety. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing method. Simple, but extremely powerful. Here's the pattern. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then slowly breathe out through your mouth for 8 seconds. That long exhale is the key. It tells your body to calm down, to slow your heart, to relax your system. After just a few cycles, you'll feel your body shift out of stress mode. Your mind becomes clearer, your heart rate drops, and your blood pressure starts to decrease. Do at least 4 cycles, more if needed. You can use this anywhere, anytime. Now we move to something deeper. This is not for quick spikes. This is for resetting your system at the root level. It's called HRV breathing or coherence breathing, and it might be the most powerful daily habit you can build. Here's how it works. Instead of breathing randomly, you slow it down. Exactly 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. That's 6 breaths per minute. When you do this, your heart and your breath start to synchronize. Your nervous system moves into balance. Stress decreases. Control increases. At first, it may feel strange. Your mind will wander. You'll want to stop. But if you stay consistent, something powerful happens. Your body starts to relearn how to relax, not just for a moment, but as a baseline state. Do this for 20 minutes every morning, before checking your phone, before the world gets noisy. This becomes your reset button. And over time, your blood pressure begins to drop naturally. The next technique is about awareness. Most people don't realize their body is tense all day long. Shoulders tight, jaw clenched, muscles contracted. This keeps your stress system active. So here's what you do. Tense your muscles on purpose. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly release. As you breathe out, this contrast teaches your body the difference between stress and relaxation. You move through your body, step by step. Feet, legs, arms, shoulders, face. And with each release, your system calms down. Over time, you gain control. Instead of stress controlling you, this one is simple, but very powerful. It trains your vagus nerve, the key controller of relaxation. Here's how. Breathe out completely. Empty your lungs, then hold. Stay there until you feel the urge to breathe. Then inhale slowly. That moment activates your system. Do this a few times daily, and over weeks, your body becomes better at calming itself. The final piece is something most people ignore. Your daily rhythm. Your body is designed to follow a natural cycle, active during the day, calm at night. But modern life breaks that rhythm. Too little sunlight in the morning, too much light at night, eating late, staying awake. All of this confuses your system and keeps stress turned on. So here's what to do. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Let your eyes see natural light. Then at night, dim everything down. Reduce screens, create darkness, and stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. This simple shift helps your body reset itself. Now imagine combining all of these together. A few minutes to stop sudden spikes and simple daily habits to reset your system. This is exactly what changed everything. For people who felt completely stuck, their numbers dropped, their medications were reduced, their energy came back. They slept better. They felt in control again, not because of something complicated, but because they finally worked with their body instead of fighting against it. And when that happens, change becomes possible. You don't need to do everything at once. Just start with one technique, one small shift, and build from there. Because the truth is, your body already knows how to heal. It just needs the right signals. And now, you finally have them. So if this opened your eyes, if you feel like you understand your body better, comment 1 below. I want to know who's ready to take back control, to stop guessing, and start changing their health for real.